markets are hitting all-time highs. Is that good news or bad news? Stick around to see exactly what we're talking about. Hey everyone, it's another week of Markets in Motion. I'm Bruce Campbell. Let's talk about valuation. So specifically, CAPE ratio, which is the Shiller price earnings ratio named after Nobel Prize winning economist Robert Shiller. What we need to know about this is what are we paying for the earnings that we're getting with the S&P? And you can see, wow, we're right up here at high levels that we haven't seen very often. And when it has, it's always been a precursor to returns going forward and what can happen. The long-term average for this is actually 17, which doesn't even show up on this chart. And right now we're right around 38. So you can see that we're certainly extended for sure. Something to pay attention to because the forward rates of return after you look at this aren't very strong. They're in the sort of mid-single digits over the next year. So you'll definitely want to be active in the market in order to be able to take advantage of this. If we look at where are things flowing right now, wow, it's just flowing right into those semiconductor stocks. You can see here that this bar shows the quarterly inflows and outflows for the SMH semiconductor ETF, and you can see this is a quarterly and it's already at a record high. So things could be getting extended there. Might want to be careful if you're in that sector. That being said, let's look and see what's happening with the RRGs right now, because this does tell us a pretty interesting picture in that, you know, energy's been strong, but it's now headed into the weakening quadrant. Doesn't mean that the price is going to drop. It just means that it's lost a little bit of relative strength to the overall market itself. And what's in the leading quadrant? Technology. Wow, it's in there all by itself. You know, we started to see financials move up, and then they're sort of going sideways here a little bit. Doesn't give us the exact indicator on what's happening, but it's certainly something to keep our eye on. What's the thing that gives us a little bit of caution and a little bit of optimism? Well, that is our early warning indicator. And you can see here that it's just about to cross back over. When did it cross negative? Back in January, it gave us that early warning indicator. Of course, it had no idea what was coming with Iran. The last time it was negative, well, it goes back to November 2024, right after President Trump had been elected, and it went negative. And right now, it's just about to go positive after being negative for a period here. So it gives us optimism that the markets still have room to grow, but of course there can always be setbacks at any point in time. Semiconductors look like they're extended. CAPE looks like it is extended, but the early warning indicator looks like it's in good shape. That's it for this week, everyone. Have a great week.